From a stock selection perspective, Invesco India Flexi Cap Fund focuses on high growth and high quality companies. Along with this, there is also a search to include turnaround companies in the portfolio. Practically, the entire portfolio allocation of the fund can be seen in these three types of stocks: high growth, high quality and turnaround companies. As the portfolio focuses on high growth, it has managed to deliver higher revenue growth as well as higher profitability growth versus benchmark in last 3 years. High growth in Invesco India Flexi Cap Fund is an outcome of identification of strong top-down theme as core part of the portfolio and bottom-up stock selection of companies that are outperforming their respective sectors. The fund also maintains a certain exposure to stable leaders which provide stability and valuation support to the portfolio. As per the investment process, the companies which qualify as high growth are those where either the top line, which means sales, or operating profit or earnings per share is expected to grow at 15% or more annualized growth rate over the next 2 years. Moreover, this growth has to be sustainable at a high rate thereafter. High quality companies are defined as those where return on investment as measured via return on equity or return on capital employed or return on invested capital are above 15% on average for 5 years, and the ratios continue to remain high sustainably for the long term. Lastly, the turnaround companies are identified as those where return ratios show an improvement of more than 2%. The sector choices for the portfolio also include a lot of rigor. Firstly, the preference is for sectors where structural growth drivers are in place. The sector should also be attractively positioned on relative risk-reward basis. Lastly, sectors with cyclical tailwinds are preferred.